Hare Krishna, welcome all of you to excellent chapter, that is 12th chapter. We have completed our 12 days out of 18 days. You are all welcome for online Bhagavad Gita learning class, which is conducted by our ISKCON Mangaluru. And today we are learning, and today is the Ekadashi, and we are learning about the Bhakti Yoga. And by today we are completing what second part, two parts. Already I told that Bhagavad Gita was divided into three parts. One part is first chapter to sixth chapter, and from sixth chapter to, I mean, from seventh chapter to 12th chapter. Today is the last chapter. The second part will be completed from tomorrow. Only the topics will be totally different, and they are nowhere related to the means first chapter and second chapter. They are all sato guna, tamo guna, rajo guna, like that. Entire thing will be different. And today is the excellent chapter. The name of the chapter is Bhakti Yoga. Hare Krishna. What we will do generally, we will start our class with the prayer. Everybody unmute yourself. And today is Ekadasi. That's why everybody should pray. Yes, unmute. Yes, now you can unmute. Om Ajnanatimirandasya
Om Ajnanatimirandasya
Jnananjana
Shalakaya
Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya
Nama Om Vishnu Padaya
Krishna Prasthaya
Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya
Bhutaya
Bhaktivinoda
Please, when I start the other line, you have to start. Directly you are jumping to the third line, fourth line. What I will do, you know now? I will read. You will all be muted there. I don't want, because today is very excellent day. Once again, please, I am unmuting you, allowing you to. Yes. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya
Nama Om Vishnu Padaya
Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale
Bhutaya Bhutale Tamite
Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve
Namaste Sarvata Deve
Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pasyatya Desha Tarine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Please be muted. Please. See, you are not synchronizing. I will do one small kirtan. Then we will start our Tanmaya. It seems she want to sing one bhajan. And she's more, everybody, if you are also eagerly waiting for singing the bhajan, just type in the chat.
Share the video.
Please wait. Don't interrupt. I will ask you. Wait. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. Now everybody unmute yourself. Today what we will do after completing this chapter, or in the middle about 7:30 like that, our Sahana will share one excellent video. Today we all will chant together Hare Krishna Mahamantra for 108 times, because today is the Ekadashi. Now I will read one line, you have to start. Everybody unmute yourself. Everybody unmute. Mayeva manadhatsva. Once again. Mayeva manadhatsva. Mayi buddhim niveshaya. Mayi buddhim niveshaya. Nivasishyasi mayyeva. Nivasishyasi mayyeva. Urdhvam na samshayah. Atha urdhvam na samshayah. Now what I will do, I will read entire shloka. You just see how I am reading. Mayeva mana adhatsva mayi buddhim niveshaya. Nivasishyasi mayyeva ata urdhvam na samshayah. Okay, I will call some of your names. Okay, Amruta, read the shloka.
Yeah. Maya eva mana adhavasta mayi buddhim niveshana nivasiyasya mayi eva ata urmadhana sanshayah.
Hari bol. Please check the background. Yes, Venkat Pardhu, you want to read the shloka? Can you read? Venkat Pardhu is not. Vihan Parlekar. Hari bol. Can you try the shloka? I will help you. Mayeva manadhatsva. Mayi buddhim niveshaya. Nivasishyasi mayyeva. Ata urdhvam na samshayah. Hari bol. Now we will go for the translation. Please mute yourself, those who got the chance, those who got muted, or else our co-host will mute you by finding you. Who will read this? Kulkarni, you want to read? Okay, Srija Kulkarni, read.
Just fix your mind upon me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and engage all your intelligence in me. Thus you will leave me in always without a doubt.
Hari bol. Very excellent translation. Manasvi Amin, please try for the translation. Read.
Just fix your mind upon me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and engage all your intelligence in me.
Intelligence in me.
Intelligence in me. Thus you will live in me always without a doubt.
Hari bol. Excellent. See what Krishna is giving the knowledge here. Very excellent knowledge, because it is Bhakti Yoga. Krishna is saying that Please, not he is not saying this to only Arjuna. He is giving the knowledge to all of us. Just fix your mind on me. Me means on Krishna. On Krishna, we have to fix our mind, who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and what else, Prabhuji? We will fix the mind, and what else we have to do? We have to engage our intelligence, whatever may be the intelligence. Krishna is saying that just fix your mind upon me and engage your intelligence on me only. Then, Prabhuji, if I always think about Krishna, if I always chant Mahamantra, if I always read the Bhagavad Gita or Bhagavatam, if I always remember the pastimes of Krishna, then what I am going to get? See, in this sloka, with the sloka number you just remember. What is the sloka number? 8th sloka in 12th chapter. What it is, Krishna is conveying the message. By fixing our mind, what we will get? See, thus you will live in me always. We can live in Krishna without any doubt. We can live with Krishna. From day one, what I am saying, our place is actually we came from Vaikunta. That's why our end goal must be Vaikunta. Finally, where we have to go? We have to go to Vaikunta only. Why I am saying? Because Krishna is saying. Now you just connect the whatever I told with the sloka. Krishna is saying, if you fix your mind, you can come to me. Thus, without any doubt, there is no doubt Krishna is giving excellent knowledge. There is no doubt. If you think about me, you will come to me. Okay. Now, what we will do, this is the only important topic in this particular chapter. What Krishna has given, shared the knowledge. Today we will do one thing. Our Sahana will everybody, please. Everybody, what you do, we will play one video of Prabhupada. Everybody unmute yourself and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. 108. Today is, yes, you can share. I will stop my share, please.
Yes, Prabhuji, I'm sharing. 1 second.
Yes. See just how much time we took for chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Only hardly 10 minutes or 7 minutes, 8 minutes. But out of 24 hours, we are having 24 hours time. Suppose, okay, we are sleeping, Prabhuji. Okay, in the daytime, so much time we just waste in chatting, in talking to on waste topics. And with the friends, we just waste. And on the cell phone also, we will waste. See, just what we are requesting. What we are requesting, all of you, just spend 10 minutes. Whenever if you go in the puja room, just chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Prabhuji, what I am going to get? See, very, what is our end goal? That we have to go to Vaikunta. That is our end goal. So anyhow, the chanting is one of the devotional service. Hearing is also one of the devotional service. What you are doing right now, hearing. See, this is what the Krishna is saying. Always surrender to me. Always, just know what we read. Always our mind has to be what just now Krishna has given, revealed the knowledge. Our mind, where we have to fix on Krishna, where our intelligence has to be fixed on Krishna. See, Krishna has given this such an excellent knowledge. Okay, now I request, that's why we are what daily requesting. I am, please chant. That's why I am requesting. Okay, now we are just moving ahead. My screen is visible now. Yes, Manasvi, yeah, everybody. Yes.
Very nice.
Hari Bol. Now, it seems Tanmaya want to sing one bhajan, but I will complete this. We will see that the time. Suppose we are, I will stop the class at today at 7:45, because today some of the students, today is the Ekadashi, everybody should participate in what singing bhajan or telling what Hare Krishna Mahamantra, anybody. If suppose something I will not complete now, I will complete tomorrow or day after tomorrow. No need to worry. But today, everybody in my class, there are about whoever may be the parties participating, everybody should open your mouth. That's what I want. I will end the class within 10 minutes. I will stop wherever just by covering this particular story. Aghasura Vada. We know that what Kamsa, wait, please don't interrupt. What Kamsa is doing, regularly sending the one or other demons to kill our Krishna. But nothing. Our Krishna, even though he's so small, he has killed several demons. Why? Because he is Supreme Personality of God. If you want to say anything, you can type in the chat. Yes. See, one fine day, what happened when our Krishna was playing with the friends in the forest. Suddenly, what happened? Some of the friends of Krishna, they saw one big cave. Everybody was attracted towards that particular cave. Actually, it was not a cave. It is the big mouth of mouth of the Aghasura, which is the snake demon. Its mouth was opened. Everybody thought that it is some cave. Like that, all the friends and all the friends, who were present at that particular place, everybody started going inside that snake. Finally, because Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God, he observed that this is not a snake. He tried to stop them. Please don't go there. Don't go. It is big opened mouth of Aghasura snake. It will eat you. Like that, Krishna was just calling them. But finally, what happened? Nobody listened. What they did? What they did, simply they entered into the mouth of Aghasur, that snake demon. Now Krishna decided, now I will go inside the mouth of the snake. As we all know, Krishna can do anything. Krishna, after entering into the mouth of the snake, what this snake did, it has closed the mouth. Yeah, it has closed the mouth. Now all are inside. All the friends of the friends and cows and small cows, calves, everybody is inside the mouth of Krishna. Suddenly it closed the mouth and started trying to kill. But Krishna is Supreme Personality of God. What he did, he started increasing his height, and he started he simply teared it into the snake into two pieces. How we just tear the paper into two pieces, simply like that, he killed that big demon. And finally Krishna rescued all those who were trapped. It is a trap of a demon, Aghasura. Aghasura thought that when I open the mouth, my mouth is very big, everybody will come inside my mouth. Finally, I can eat them or I can kill them. His main target was Krishna, but everybody went inside. Okay. Now, this is the story of one of the pastimes of Krishna. Now, you just see how the big snake was broken into two pieces. It was very, very, very big. Now, see, why Krishna can kill? Because Krishna is having so much power, so much strength. Nobody has strength more than Krishna. Krishna is a Supreme Personality of God. That's why he has, in the second chapter, we discussed what are the 6 opulences of the God. In one of the opulences of the God is strength. Okay. Now we are moving ahead. Now, because of that poison, everybody became unconsciousness, and everybody become unconscious. Now Krishna, with his magic, he touched everybody, and all of them came to consciousness. All of them, they went to their own parents, and like that. This is the one of the pastimes of Aghasura. And in our temple, ISKCON temple, Mayapur, very big temple, very big temple, which is located in very big, large area. Now, there is one, there is one, like that, entire, what a temple was decorated once in a year, it seems, Aghasura Leela in Mayapur temple. Okay. And now, Krishna is the real hero. Prabhuji, why are you saying Krishna is the real hero? We will discuss some of the 2 or 3 points. Okay. Okay. Anyhow, we will complete today. Mother Yashoda and Rohini Devi were happy during the name giving ceremony of Krishna and Balram. Garga Muni was also happy because generally we will take the birth. What we will, even our name was also, we will of some Brahman or some Maharaj will be called. Gee, what should be the name given to the child, like that? What will be the future? The generally future will be depending on the name, that like that they will think. Everybody will think there was a ceremony. Even in our house also, in everybody's house also, there will be ceremony. At that time, Krishna and Balram were so small. That was the name was given by our Garga Muni. He was very, very what a famous, what a Rushi. Garga Muni was very happy to give the name of the Lord. Okay, Hare Krishna. Now we are moving ahead. Generally, what these are the pastimes of Krishna. In the evening, Mother Yashoda and Rohini Devi, Rohini Devi eagerly waits for Krishna. Generally, Krishna and Balram, along with the friends and calf, yesterday we covered that they used to go to the forest and they used to share the lunch and they used to perform so many different things. And finally in the evening they used to return, like that. Whenever they are returning, we these the mothers, even our parents also, when we return to the house, they will be eagerly waiting. Arey, my child went there. It is 4 o'clock. She told that she will come by 2 o'clock. 2 hours already over. Where she is? Like that, even they will be also worried. Like that, our Yashoda Maya and Rohini Devi was also eagerly waiting whenever the Krishna Balaram were returning. Now, one of the pastimes of Krishna is Mother Yashoda singing about Krishna and what she is doing, churning the what cream in order to get the batter. This is what the one of the pastimes. And what the Krishna used to do, because Krishna likes butter very much. He was very happy. Now the butter will come so that I can eat. Okay, he was very happy. Now, even in this slide, you can see he was just happily watching. Yes, Hare Krishna. Now, yeah, sometimes mother used to go to even Mother Yashoda and Rohini used to go to the means different places in the market. Here it is mentioned market, and whenever they used to go outside, they used to take their Krishna and Balram along with them. This is also one of the pastimes. And finally, the cowherd themselves of Vrindavan serve Krishna in innumerable ways. Actually, Krishna was very attracted, very beautiful. Everybody used to attract to Krishna. And what the gopis used to do. One gopi used to offer flower. One gopi used to give something else. One gopi used to dance in front of Krishna, and one gopi used to offer fruit. One gopi used to do something else. Means every gopi, including the Radharani, what they used to see, how, in what way our Krishna will be happy. This is what their real intention. Even our intention should be the same. In what way we can see that our Krishna will be happy. This should be our main intention. Okay. What should I do? Okay, Prabhuji, since 12 days you are saying just by chanting Krishna will be happy. Okay, I will chant, Prabhuji. Okay, Prabhuji, you told that by hearing Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita, Krishna will be happy. Okay, Prabhuji, we will hear. Okay, Prabhuji, you told we should always see the stories of Krishna, and we should always remember the pastimes of Krishna so that Krishna will be happy. We should do. Because you just see how the gopis were always thinking how my Krishna will be happy. This is what our we should also be. Okay. Now, see, Krishna plays many games. Not like that. Now what we are doing, we are not playing any game. We are just addicted to cell phone or TV. But Krishna plays many games in the forest along with Balrama and the cowherd friends. All the friends were used to enjoy playing. And finally, and Krishna, yesterday also we saw that Krishna, if the bird is flying like this, he used to also imitate those birds and animals, monkeys, like that. Yes. Now Krishna and his friend take their cow to the forest for grazing. See, this is one of the first question. Why did why the Krishna took their cows for eating biryani, for eating what laddu, for eating what gulab jamun, or what? This is what the question is. The answer is for grazing grass, for eating grass. That is called grazing. Okay. Hare Krishna. Yes, I am seeing that chat in somebody. Everybody is saying that I want. Okay. All mothers prepare delicious food stuff for Krishna in Vrindavan. We all know that even the mothers were used to happy. Okay. What I should prepare the food in order to see that our Krishna should be happy. This is what everybody used to offer. Please Krishna, accept it. Please Krishna, accept it. This like that they used to offer. Hare Krishna. And finally, the gopis churn the butter while singing the glories of the beloved Krishna. By singing the glories, how Krishna is means whatever the glories of the Krishna they used to sing, and they used to what? Churn the butters again. And their eyes are like a bumblebee drinking the nectar of the Krishna's booty. Hari bol. What the bumblebee do? It will go on the flower and it will means for getting the nectar, and like that what here it is mentioned, everybody is mesmerized just by looking into the beautiful face and beautiful eyes of the Krishna. Everybody just enjoying. See, this is one of the pastime. Now, Hare Krishna. Now our class ends here. Now, please switch on your videos. I am not spotlighted. Please switch on your videos. Everybody, today Ekadashi, everybody sing any bhajan, any story. You can sing any bhajan, you can say any bhajan, but switch on your video. Okay, this is what my request. Don't hesitate. This is what see, we are having still 15 minutes we are having. I will give almost chance, but you should not say a story for us, bhajan for 5 minutes, because I have to give the chance to others also. Okay, na? Hare Krishna. Tanmaya, you told that you want to sing one bhajan. Please, can my dear Sahana or anybody who are co-host can just unmute Tanmaya. Then again, first we will give the chance to new. Okay, those who did not got the chance till 12 days. Today is the 12th day, na? Till now. And I request all of you, please register for our next. Means if you are in if you are decided that yes, Prabhuji, this is very excellent, Prabhuji. Chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra is very simple, Prabhuji. We will chant daily. So then just please fill the form. Okay, everybody should fill the form. I know that some of you have already filled, but some of you are hesitating to fill. Please, I am requesting them to fill the form. Now, see, by filling the form, we will be fixed. Okay, daily we have to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Mentally, we will be fixed. Okay, 10 minutes can't we spend? If you want to go to Vaikunta, can't we spend 10 minutes? Yes, we can. We will go for movie or some other place. We will wait for there for hours together. But what we are requesting, daily get up just 10 minutes early, and so that you can sit in the puja room. Not only in the puja room, wherever you are sitting, you just chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Okay. Now Tanmaya, please, can anybody please unmute Tanmaya? Sparsh, already I gave several times you chance, but today also I will give. But first we will give to some others. Tanmaya.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Riya, yes, sing.
Prabhuji, I don't want to sing a bhajan. I can sing Jaya Radha Madhava.
Yes, that is also bhajan. That is also bhajan. Sing.
Okay, Prabhuji. Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari. Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari. Jaya Gopi Janavallabha.
Giridhari.
Giridhari. Jaya Gopi Janavallabha. Giridhari.
Yashodanan.
Yashodhara Nandana Vraja Jana Ranjana. Yashoda Nandana Vraja Jana Ranjana.
Yamuna Tira.
Vanachari. Yamuna Tira. Vanachari.
Hari bol. Yes, who is next? Who want to sing? Yes, Tejas Krishna Nayar. You want to sing?
Yes,
Yes.
Prabhuji, I don't know bhajan, but can I sing Hare Krishna Maha Mantra?
Yes, sing little bit fast because I need to give the chance to all of you. Please.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hari bol. And now Kavin, please. Any bhajan, Hindi bhajan, any bhajan. Or sorry, English bhajan, we cannot say, but any bhajan. Nowadays, Krishna songs are even in English also. The Krishna songs are there. Yes.
Prabhuji, you spotlighted Kevin or what?
Tell an
No, I have not
example, sir. You
spotlighted,
said
but
this English this thing and you tell me an example. I don't know any of them. Tell me an example.
please don't interrupt. Now Kevin want to. Yes, what happened, Kevin? Where are you? He's there.
Prabhuji muted himself.
Why? Kevin, please.
I think so. Prabhuji is singing Maha Mantra.
Rama Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Ramanama Varanane.
Hari bol. See, what is the meaning? Just now our Kavin has told. See, only Sahasranama Tatulyam Ramanama Varanane means 1000 names of Vishnu are equal to one name of Rama. Lord Rama's one name, if you take one time Rama like that, so it is equal to 1000 times of the name of Vishnu. Likewise, if you take the name of Krishna one time, that is equal to 3 times of Lord Rama's name. That's why you should always remember. Now, Sri Sai Shrestha is saying that she want to sing. Can someone unmute Sai Shrestha? Sai Shrestha. Can someone unmute?
Sir, Prabhuji, I muted her, but she's not unmuted only.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Sai Shrestha.
Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana Bhallava Girivaradhari Jaya Gopi Jana Bhallava Girivaradhari Yashodanandana
Braja Janaranjana.
Raja Janaranjana Yashodanandan Raja Janaranjana Yamuna Tira Vanachari Yamuna Tira Vanachari.
Yes, Dhanutra Mohan, unmute yourself.
Okay, Prabhuji. Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivarodhari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivarodhari Yashodanandana Prajadana Ranjana Yashodanandana Prajadana Ranjana Yamuna Tira Vanachari Yamuna Tira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihare Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha गिरिवरोधारी यशोदनन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जन यमुनतीरावनचारि यमुनतीरावनचारि जय राधा माधवा कुञ्ज विहारे.
Hare Krishna. Excellent, excellent. Now, who wants to? Manasvi, Amin, please. Manasvi, Amin, what is your name? Switch on your video.
I can't.
Okay, no issues, no issues. Network issues are there, no issues. Yes, sing. Sing or any story also, you can.
Can I read Hare Krishna Mahamantra?
Hari Bol, that is Maha Mantra. More than him, it is on the top. That's why it is called as Maha. Yes, you can.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Thanks a lot. Now, Aishani, what is your name? Today, first time I am calling you. Aishani, unmute yourself. And it was,
Prabhuji,
yes.
it's Tanmaya only.
Your name is Tanmaya. Again, you are as Acha. You are Tanmaya only. Sorry. Yes, Dhanotra, you got the chance. Yes. Dhanotra Mohan, you got the chance. Why again you people are raising the hand? When you got the chance. Dhanotra, you got the chance.
Prabhuji, I just now ready sing.
Yes, you have to lower your hand now. Kavin also got the Amruta, unmute yourself.
Come here, my dear Krishna Kanhaiya, मैंने तेरे लिए हृदय अंदर मंदिर बनाया. For you, my dear, खाना बनाया. बटर मिष्टी दूध दही खूब मंगाया. So much delay, तुमने लगाया. मैंने तेरे लिए हृदय अंदर मंदिर बनाया. Remembering every day मैं आंसू बहाऊं. Come home, my dear, आरती दिखाऊं. Why far रहे कन्हैया, मैंने तेरे लिए हृदय अंदर मंदिर बनाया.
Hari Bol, excellent. See, Hari Bol, big, huh? Now, Aditya Rachit, you have raised the hand.
Yes, Prabhuji, I want to sing that Kirtan we do every day.
Okay, that Kirtan only. Any
Kunja Vihar, Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha, Girivaradha,
Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Thanks a lot. You lower your hand. And now Vihan, then again Sparsh will read. Vihan, which bhajan you want to share? Which story you want to share? Vihan Parlekar. Vihan.
Prabhuji muted himself, Prabhuji, I think so. I don't know.
Vihan.
Sir, I say Krishna mantra.
Okay, say. I'm waiting for it.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Krishna 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 Hare Hare.
Okay, Hari Bol. Now, our Manasvi and Sahana, who are means they want to sing something different. Okay, then again Ankit Shanna, Aniket Shanna and Sparsh can. Anirudh, you people can. Yes, Manasvi, What is your bhajan?
Yeah, Prabhuji. Let's start.
Please sing.
Bhajure Manash Nandana Arya Jadara Labha Taro e Bhavasindhure Sita Atapa Bata Bharishana Edina Janmini Jagire Bifale Sevinu Kripana Durjana Chapala Sukhala Bhalagire.
Hari bol, Hari bol. Big Hari bol. Yes, Sahana.
Prabhuji, we did it together now.
But only voice of Manasvi was coming. We could not hear your voice. I could not. Maybe others have heard it. I don't know.
Prabhuji, we couldn't hear too.
Okay, no.
I
Okay, no issues. Wait. Then Sparsha, or else whom I have to unmute now? Little bit confused. Yes, Sparsh. Little. Sparsh.
Om Bhuva Swaha Tatsavituर्वरेण्यं Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat.
Hare Krishna. Thanks a lot. Anirudh. Anirudh. What is your name, Anirudh?
Yes, Prabhuji.
You want to say a story or bhajan? You want to sing? What you want to share?
I want to sing sloka.
Loka, Hari Bol. Please, please. Waiting for you.
I am
Please,
going to sing few lines of Krishnashtaka.
Krishnastaka, Hari Bol. Yes.
Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Atashi Pushpa Sankasham Parano Purashobitam Ratna Kankana Keyuram Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Kutilālaka samyuktam purna chandra nibananam vilasat kundaladaram devam krishnam vande jagadgurum mandara gandha samyuktam charupasam chaturbhujam bahi pinchava chudangam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Padma Patraksham Neeraji Muda Sannibam Yadavanam Shiroratnam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Hari Bol. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now, who else did not got the chance? Just they raised Ani Jivan and Venkat Parthu. Yes, Ani Jivan. You want to sing any bhajan?
Yes, yes, sir. Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana
Vallabha.
Vallabha
Girivara.
Girivaradari Jaya Gopidaya Janavana Girivaradari Yashwadananda Nandanayan
Braja Janaranjana.
Brajananandana Yashwadananda Brajajanananda Yamunati Vanachari
Yamuna
Tira, Yamuna Tira, Vanachari.
Yamuna Tira Vanachari. Hare
Hari
Krishna.
Bol. Hari Bol. I am sharing the key. Those who want to leave, they can leave. And those who want to stay, they can stay. Can somebody else unmute Venkat Pardu so that he want to sing or anything you can.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, I will just share the key. You just sing any bhajan. Yes, why are you
Ram Ram
hesitating?
Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranamata Tulyam Rama Nama Varanani.
Very bol, very top mantra. Huh? Yes. Who else is next? Aniket got the chance. Can somebody or else? Are Mokshit, you also raise the hand. What is the something you sing a new bhajan? Huh?
Yes.
Sir,
You are
I want to
old.
tell two things, three things,
Okay,
and
Aniket.
also sing. Two things and sing as well. One thing is, what about the golden rules? You said last time you will discuss golden rules from the first chapter, and it has been the past
Today
11 days
also,
since you discussed
today
one.
also we discussed in the class how to read that CA means cha. Whenever the A, there is minus on the A. That is second golden rule. That is you have to drag the
No, you
A.
did not discuss it.
Okay. It seems you did not attend.
Second thing is time. It's already 8:03.
Okay, no
8:03.
issues. That's why I'm just
And
sending
then
the key.
third thing is, it's
No, no.
already 8:03 and Krishna Krishna Mukunda Jana Jana Krishna Govinda Narayana Hari Atutananda Govinda Madhavan Sachitananda Mayara Hari Krishna Krishna Mukunda Jana Jana Krishna Govinda and also Hare. Sir, and also you don't know this thing, key spelling. You're instead of
Yes,
typing
see how many
before you're
messages I am typing, you know, about 100 messages I type. I'm just giving the reply. I need to give the fast reply. See, Vikas is asking one question. Sparsh is asking another question. Several answers I am just typing. Okay, what is the, yes, Vikas, unmute yourself. Vikas, unmute yourself.